8 many pretty videos in a row. The Englishman inside of me wants out, and I'm taking him out, man. I had jump scares, and you do too. So if you had jump scares, just like me, then give me a. I've seen this one. Oh fuck, man! I don't give a fuck about this one, man. I've seen it. Oh. Next video. Next. Yeah. Wait. Yeah, I've seen this one. There. Yeah, I've seen this one, but I don't want to look at it. You cannot scare me. I am the ultimate being. I do not feel scared. Okay, it's a baby. Yes. Yeah, okay, yeah. Yeah, cute little baby. Alright.
Yeah, he liked his privacy. When the doors were open, it was okay, but when it locked, he wanted his privacy. He had his privacy.
This is one of the bad.
I'm just gonna finish this clip and I'm not doing this anymore. Oh fuck. I am Bakemono. See, I am not scared at all. This will be the end of the video. I hope you enjoy it. I do not feel scared. Make sure to drop a like or a dislike. I don't give a